Welcome to Ayagna channel. Today we are discussing about data science and its applications. So what is data science? So data science it is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and to obtain an accurate and deep understanding from structured and unstructured data. So why data science? As data is increasing exponentially with the emergence of new technologies, therefore it is created an opportunity to analyze and derive meaningful insights from the data. So it requires an expertise data scientist who can use various statistical and machine learning tools to understand and analyze data. Therefore, one can understand that data science has a field that deals with the data processing, analysis, and extraction of insights from the data using various statistical methods and computer algorithms. It is a multidisciplinary field that combines mathematics, statistics, and computer science. So most of the companies requires data to function and to grow and improve their business. In order to deal with the data, it requires data scientists to assist companies in making proper decisions and analyze a large amount of data to derive meaningful insights. These insights will be helpful for the companies who wish to analyze themselves and their performance in a market like commercial industries which uses data science to improve their sales of products. So data science is a combination of computer science, domain business knowledge and math and statistics. Between computer science, math and statistics, it uses some machine learning tools using routine language. And between domain and business knowledge and computer science, data engineer will do the job between those. And domain business knowledge and math and statistics research and analysis is required. Example, Amazon recommended system. So e-commerce websites like Amazon uses the recommendation system to improve their sales of products. Recommender systems help customers by suggesting probable list of products from which they can easily select the right one. They make customers aware of new and or similar products available for purchase by providing comparable cost, features, and delivery times, etc. Let us see how it happened. When you search an item, say mobile phone, in e-commerce website like Amazon, but you don't buy it, then the next day when you watch videos on YouTube, you will see some ads related to mobile phone, and also when you switch to Facebook, these also come you across with some ads related to that particular item. How? This happens because Google tracks your search history and recommends ads based on your search history. This is one of the applications of data science. So what is the objective of data science? For better marketing. Companies are using data to analyze their marketing strategies and to create better advertisement by studying and analyzing customer feedback. Therefore, business need a data scientist to assist them in making strong decisions with regards to marketing campaigns and advertisements. And next one is for customer satisfaction. Data scientists help the company to acquire customers by analyzing their needs for the requirements of their standards or regular customers. To understand the client's companies should store the data, which is very essential for customer satisfaction. Therefore, the purpose of a data scientist here is to deliver the needs of customers by analyzing the data. Next one is for innovation. Companies can create better innovations with the availability of data. Data scientists analyze customer reviews and help the companies craft product that suits perfectly with the reviews and feedback. Using the data from the customer feedback, companies make decisions to impart new methods in its business. Next one is for enriching lives. Customers' data is very important for making their lives better. Healthcare industries also use the data to assist their customers in their everyday life. Data scientists in this type of industries plays a prominent role to analyze the personal data, health history, and create products that handle the problems faced by the customers. So let's see outlines. The objective of the data science, we can conclude that data science is to extract, pre-process and analyze data. Through these, companies can make better decisions. Various companies have their own requirements and uses data accordingly. In the end, the goal of data scientists to make business grow better. With the decisions and insights provided, the companies can adapt appropriate strategies and customize themselves for enhanced customer experience. What is difference between structured data and unstructured data? Structured data, it is a quantitative type of data. Databases are relational and it can be processed and analyzed using conventional methods and tools. It stores and manages data in traditional table format, with each piece of data organized into a row and column. For example, rows can be associated a first name to a last name and then to a username, email address and customer ID. Columns hold the data of single type or field like name, order number or the image link of the product logo. Whereas in unstructured data, it is a qualitative type of data and it cannot be processed, analyzed using conventional tools and methods. It is difficult to deconstruct because it has no predefined model, meaning it cannot be organized in relational databases. Examples of unstructured data include text, videos, audios, mobile activity, social media activity, satellite imagery, surveillance imagery. Structured data examples. Examples includes names, dates, address, credit card numbers, stock information, geolocation, and more. For example, user ID, user address and phone, and product ID, description, and quantity. Unstructured data examples. In business applications, MS Office documents, productivity applications. In social media, data from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. In media, MP3, digital photos, audio and video files. Website, YouTube, Amazon. In scientific data, oil and gas exploration, space exploration, atmospheric data. Mobile data, text messages and locations. Satellite imagery, weather data, landforms, military movements. In text files, word processing, spreadsheets, email, logs. So what are the steps in data science processing? Step 1, business requirements. Step 2, data collection. Step 3, data cleaning. Step 4, data exploration and analysis. Step 5, data modeling. Step 6, data validation. Step 7, model deployment. Okay. In step 1, that is business requirements, it is understanding business requirements and to build a dynamic model. Data collection, it is a process of gathering and measuring information on targeted variables in an established systems, which then enables one to answer relevant questions and evaluate outcomes. In data cleaning, unnecessary data collected must be removed, otherwise it increases the complexity of the problem. So in data exploration and analysis, we need to understand the patterns of the data. In data modeling, a machine learning algorithms model has to be built by using previous analysis, and it is trained at thousands of customer records. In data validation, accuracy of the model has to be validated, and for false predictions, additional testing to be done. In model deployment, you deploy a model after measuring its efficiency and customer feedback to be taken into consideration to improve it further. So what are data science tools? So Jupyter, Python, or SciPy, TensorFlow, Keras, Matplotlib, Pandas, these are the some tools used in data science. So based on the type of the functions, we use different data science tools. That is, for data collection and data ingestion, we use Hadoop, Cassandra, and SQL Server. And for data cleaning and mining, we use Python, Spark, or Talent. For data exploration and visualization, we use Tableau, Matplotlib, and QlikView. For data analysis, we use RapidMiner, Tableau, OpenRefine. For other tools like Git, SAS, and Eclipse, we use for the data science tool. Applications of data science. Data science in internet search. When we speak of search, we immediately think Google, right? But there are many other search engines like Yahoo, Bing, Ask, etc. All these search engines, including Google, make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best results search for our query in a fraction of seconds. Data science in digital advertising. If you thought search would have been the biggest application of data science and machine learning algorithms, here is a challenge, that is the entire digital marketing spectrum, starting from the display banner on various websites to the digital billboards at the airports. Almost all of them are decided by using data science algorithms. This is the reason why digital ads have been able to get a lot of higher CTR than traditional advertisements. Data science in image recognition. You upload your image with friends on Facebook and you start getting suggestions to tag your friends. This automatic tag suggestion features uses face recognition algorithm. Today, data science tools have started recognizing the human face and matching the face with all pictures available in its database. Also, mobile phones equipped with cameras are leading to the creation of boundless digital images and videos. Data science tools with AI has the ability to not just assist users in face recognition, but help detect objects available in the camera. The tools scan all the objects and attempt to name and identify them. Computers can make use of machine vision technologies in combination with the camera and AI software to achieve image recognition. Next, data science in speech recognition. Some of the best examples of speech recognition products are Google Voice, Siri, Cortana, etc. Using speech recognition feature, even if you are not in a position to type a message, your life would not stop. Simply speak out the message and it will be converted to text. Next, data science in gaming. Gaming experience led to the next level using data science. Games are now designed using machine learning algorithms which improve or upgrade themselves as a player moves up to a higher level. In a motion game in also, your opponent or a computer analyzes your previous movements and accordingly shapes up its next game. Data science in bank fraud and risk detection. Big data analytic tools and technologies have become the first line of defense that combines together text mining, machine learning, and ontology modeling to ease security threat prediction, detection, and prevention at early stage. Big data and data science technologies now is in intelligence-led investigation process through improved collaboration and data analysis so that agencies can detect national security threats easily. Data science in recommended system. A lot of companies use a search engine system to promote their products or suggestions in accordance with the user interest and relevance of information. Internet gains like Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, and many more uses this system to improve user experience. The recommendations are made based on previous search results of user so that one get relevant ads based on our browsing history. Data science in Google Maps. Almost all of us use Google Maps, but have you ever wondered how Google Maps work? Google's biggest asset is data, and lots of it. It collects data every day from a multitude of reliable sources, including your phone. With the help of data analytics and data collected from the drivers, passengers, and pedestrians, Google's machine learning algorithms are able to predict traffic jams, help you find your optimal route, and even determine which areas should be avoided due to roadworks or accidents. Enormous amounts of historical data give Google the power to predict traffic patterns. Data science in healthcare. The best way to transform healthcare is to recognize risk and recommend prevention plans before health risk become a major issue. Through wearable and other tracking devices that take into account historical patterns and genetic information, it's possible to recognize a problem before it's get out of hand. Example, a wearable watch monitors health of the person and collects data such as heart rate, blood pressure, etc. and predicts risk of heart attack by using some machine learning algorithms. Data science in transport, that is self-driving cars. Sensors, processors, actuators, these are the three main hardware in the self-driving cars. Data collected in the form of real-time images and videos of traffic and road conditions are collected by these sensors. Data scientists help develop the algorithms that allow autonomous vehicles in recognition things like traffic lights, stop signs, etc. Data science aid these machines to convert real-life driving experience into programmable information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Have a happy learning.